Today's, ladies and gentlemen, we're playing Subway Surfer, but I have to get to 1,000,000 by the end of this video, and if I don't, I will be doing 100, no, you know what, 200 push-ups. Let's get into it. Okay, we're just doing the tourist part, so it's not that bad. If I die here, it don't count. Okay, so far this is easy. I'm bored. Okay, so far this is okay. So far this is easy. Ignore that. Oh, ignore that. Okay. I'm gonna just but not that bad. You just have to lock it. It does not help that I'm on. Also, yeah, I can't upgrade. I have to do this how we start. That's how I have to do it. Wow! Okay, no. I was kinda conflicted if I should have used oh fuck, whatever. Before y'all say anything, Chromebook for some reason doesn't have Subway Surfers in the Play Store. So I have to use a website, okay? Okay. I know it's free, but it does not have it in the original one. So I have to use this one. Anyways, continuing. Okay. Where? Maybe I'm not that good, okay? Okay. Hopefully this run is 10 times better than the ones I've had so far. It does not help that I'm on horrible stats right now. But yeah, how's y'all day been? You know? My day, I woke up at 6 to go to school. Got to the bus, went to school, chilled out with some friends, and yeah. That was my day. How about y'all? Okay. Actually? That's crazy. No way. You're lying. Okay. Damn. That's crazy. Okay, nothing be crazy happening in my school though. We chilling at this here. Gotta hope. Fuck this. with that, we conclude the video. Like, subscribe, and yeah. I'm done. But I get that. Wow. That's kind of trash.